Namaskar. Welcome to Cool Parents series. So, how often do we enjoy connecting with our friends, colleagues, neighbors over a small phone call or a message or a simple chat, discussing or sharing anecdotes, jokes? It basically rejuvenates us and feel very happy reliving certain memories. How about extending the same thing to our family members, engaging them with those memories which were very hilarious or funny, but at the same time also gave a certain amount of learning? Let's try that particular activity today. I'm inviting my own family member. So come over. So do you remember the time when we were visiting an ashram in the southern part of India and we had to go to a certain place of worship? And there were two different queues, if you remember. One for women and one for men, right?
I do remember.
And you were standing just behind me. So then what happened?
Then someone there stopped me and told me that I have to go in the queue where boys and men have to go. And I just looked around and laughed. And I told them, you also told them that I am a girl. I'm not a boy. And at that time I had a short hair boy cut. And I was weighing more 10 to 12 kilos. And I was shorter even. And then they told me that
And what were you wearing at that point of time? Why do you think it added to the confusion?
I was wearing kurta and plazo at that time.
Yeah. So you think that it was basically your shape, your body shape, body physique, which basically make them think that you are a boy along with your haircut also?
Yes, I do think because I had a boy cut and my weight and all that depends. I did not know, but then it was very funny for me because I do not look like a girl.
They thought.
They
They
thought
But
that
this
I was-
incident did not happen with you once in that ashram. How many times it occurred again and again?
a couple of times.
Okay. So what happened? Then you came back to me and what did you say? Do you remember?
I asked you, do I really look like a boy? You said no, you don't. I also thought that I look like a boy.
So there are many stereotypes in our society which basically prescribe that men should or boys should look like this, women or girls should look like this. This is what they should be wearing. This is how they should be behaving. And because of these stereotypes, we come across such kind of situations. Of course, in her case, it was hilarious. And then she basically started questioning herself. I said, you are very much a girl. You feel like a girl, do you?
Yes, of course.
She said, I do feel like a girl. Then I said, then go ahead. It shouldn't matter what kind of hairstyle you sport, what kind of clothes you wear, if you're pretty confident about yourself. And she was pretty confident, and then she went ahead. So break those stereotypes, break those cliches, and establish new benchmarks. So signing off, this is Shipra Mago, life coach and chief coach and founder, Breathe to Live. We'll meet again.